You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Today, I'm going to show you how to trade the Cobra trading strategy. So if you want to learn this strategy, please watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. On trading view, I'll be using BTC USDT. I'm on the 4-hour chart. To better set up this strategy, we need 6 EMAs, and for us to better manage this EMA, we're going to use the ribbon. So I'll go to indicators, right here on indicators, search for ribbon. So once you search for ribbon, this moving average ribbon will come out. Then I will click on the first one, which is this one that is giving us this very line on the chart right here. Then I'll click on the second one as well, which gives us another set of line on the chart. Then I'm going to remove this. Right now, I'm going to change the parameter to better fit this very Cobra trading strategy. So you have to go back to settings, and then I will come back here to input. Right here on input, remember I said we need exponential moving averages. So right here, I will remove one right here, and then I'll come back right here, leave this as simple moving average, and then you come back to this very area, choose this HLC3, which is the high plus low plus close, divide by 3, and then here we choose high, and then right here low. This very area should be set to 73, and we have 73 right here. Then you can change the color. I'm using yellow. Use yellow right here as well. You can use any color of your choice, and I'll click OK. This is for the first ribbon, and then the second one, go to back to settings, and then input. I'll remove one right here because we need just 3, and then I'll change this to exponential moving average. Exponential moving average here is the same thing as the other one. Then these have to be changed to 13. Change this to 13. Then I have to change the color to red. You can use any color of your choice. It doesn't matter. Then I'll click OK. So once I click OK, you see that we have these channels on the chart. So 2 channels on the chart right now. We have the yellow channel and the red channel. The next indicator you have to put on the chart is the stochastic RSI. So this one right here, you click on it. So for this, we don't need to change any parameter. I am going to only increase the visibility. So come back here, I'll increase the visibility a little. So when the red channel right here is below the yellow channel, that means when the yellow channel is above the red channel, then they are apart. That gives you the idea that the market is moving to the downside, and for that reason you have to look for short opportunity. And when the red channel, this very one right here, is above the yellow channel, that means the yellow channel is below the red channel, then you have to look for buy opportunities. Then at this very point, you have to look for when the market is at overbought and oversold condition. So for the stochastic RSI, you have to buy the market when the RSI is at oversold condition at this very area, and then you have to short the market when the stochastic RSI is at overbought condition at this very area. If you don't know how to use the stochastic, check the channel. I have a video that best explain how to use the stochastic and the stochastic RSI for this very trading purpose. So at this very area, this is a short opportunity. Reason because the red channel is below the yellow channel, and not only that, the stochastic is at overbought condition, which means the market is going to move to the downside. So what you need to do right now is to look for short opportunity after the close of this very candle right at this very point. So at the close of this candle, which is the opening of the next bearish candle at this very area, is when you have to place your trade. So once you place your trade, you are going to look for a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. Don't go too high because this is on the 4-hour chart. And then your stop loss should be set in 2 ways. In case the candlestick is outside of the EMA ribbon, just like in this case, you set your stop loss at the high of the candle, that is the wick of the candle in this very case, and then your take profit target have to come back right now because it is a short position. So at this very area, I will set this to 1 to 1.5. In this case, we have a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, and you can see the market hit my target. So that is the first example. The second example for short opportunity here is this very area. Reason why: the red channel is below the yellow channel. That means the yellow channel is above the red channel. Not only that, if you look at the stochastic, is at overbought condition at this very area, and if you look at it, the percentage D line is coming right down and the percentage K line is below the percentage D line. Crossing the 80% line at this very area is going to enter your trade. And if you notice, at that very point, we have this very bearish candle coming back to the downside. So this is the right time to take your trade at the close of this very bearish candle right at this very point. So if I was to take this position, I will bring this and then I will place it right at this very area, and then after that the market move right to the downside. So my stop loss have to be slightly at this very end of this very high of this very candle. So from here to the downside, and then from this very area down, give me 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. At this very point, the market did not hit our target, but after some time the market still hit our target right at this very area. One exception you have to note for using this strategy is you don't trade this strategy when the ribbons are together. In this very case, this very yellow channel and this red channel are together. In this very case, it means that the market is ranging. Even though we see that the stochastic is at overbought condition at this very area, which means the market is going to go down, you don't take a position. The same thing here, which means the market is going to go down, you don't take a position. And also at this very point, you don't take a position because the red channel and the yellow channel are together, which is the market is ranging. We are taking positions or trade when the market is trending. Either the market is trending to the downside or is trending to the upside. So these are the two examples for short opportunity. Let's look at other examples for long position. If you look at this very area right here on the chart, the market is moving to the upside and the red channel is above the yellow channel. That means the yellow channel is below the red channel at this very area. Not only that, we see the stochastic RSI at oversold condition, which means the market is going to move to the upside from this very area. So if I was to take a buy position, I will wait for this very candle to close first. Then if you look at this very area, there is an exception right at this very point because the candlestick did not come out of this very ribbon. So in this case, I am going to place my stop loss below this very ribbon at this very area. So I will place the trade at the close of this candle, which is the formation of this very one at this very point. Once I do that, I have to shift my stop loss to this very point of the chart that is very close to this very ribbon, slightly below it, and then I have to look for 1 to 1.1 risk reward ratio. If you look at it very well, you see this has given us 1 to 1.1 risk reward ratio. What that means is if you are risking $1, you are looking for $1.5. That is 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. If you look at this very area, the red channel is still above the yellow channel, and then the stochastic also is at oversold condition, and it's the right time to take this position at the close of this very candle. So once you see this, we are going to enter this trade at the close of this very hammer right here, which is the formation of this very one. So I'll place the trade right at this very point. Remember, my stop loss have to be slightly at the end of this very candle right here, and then I am looking for 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. So if you look at this as well, the market also give us a very smooth trade at this very area for this long opportunity. So this is how you use this strategy. You have to follow it strictly. So in this very case, we are not supposed to take any position. Reason why: the red channel and the yellow channel, they are mixing together. And also, if you look at this very area as well, this is not the right time for you to take any position. The reason is because the red channel and the yellow channel, they are also mixing together as well. So you don't take trade when the market is ranging. You only take a buy position when the red channel is above the yellow channel and the market on the stochastic is at oversold condition, and you have to take a sell opportunity or a sell position when the red channel is below the yellow channel and the market at the stochastic level right here is at overbought condition. This is how you need to trade this cobra trading strategy. If you follow it strictly this way, you will have about 90% win rate. Remember, every strategy have its pitfalls. There is no 100% strategy out there, but for you to manage your strategy according to your risk reward ratio and also better trading psychology. So this is how to trade the cobra trading strategy. Ensure you set up these parameters. If you are very good at this, you can also change the parameter to better suit what you want in this very strategy. So comment below what you think about this strategy when you backtest it on your own. Comment below. I want to hear what you think about this strategy. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. If you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies with simple trading strategy, please check the description of this video right now. You see a contact and you reach out to me immediately for training. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.